Hi, I see that. It looks like we have a quadrilateral here and 4 angles marked with 1 missing value. How do you think we could find that missing angle? Quadrilateral, 4 sides, 4 angles.
I have no idea.
Well, actually, there's a neat trick for this. Imagine if we split this quadrilateral into triangles. How many triangles can you draw from just one corner?
I'm not sure. Maybe only one.
That's all right. If we pick one corner and draw lines to the other non-adjacent corners, we can split the shape into 2 triangles. Since we know each triangle's angles add up to 180 degrees, what do you think the total sum for our whole quadrilateral would be?
180.
Not quite. Remember, we split it into 2 triangles. So 2 times 180 degrees makes how much?
Oh, it's 360 degrees.
Exactly, 360 degrees. Now that we know the total, how can we use that to find the missing angle?
We can subtract other 3 angles.
That's a great idea. First, why don't you add up the 3 angles you already know? What's 54 plus 117 plus 153?
54 plus 117 is 171.
Okay, 171 for the first 2. Now add 153 to that. What do you get for the total sum?
324.
You got it! 324 degrees. So now that we know the total of all 4 angles is 360, and the sum of the 3 we have is 324, what's the last step to find the missing angle?
We subtract 324 from 360.
That's exactly right. So what's 360 minus 324?
36.
Perfect! 36 degrees. You found it. Great job working through that.